Really basic movement in Scratch. Let's go. The first thing we can try to do is click on the cat and move it around like this, but that's not coding. So let's get some coding happening. Go to the events blocks, grab a when the flag is clicked, go to motion blocks, get a move 10 steps, and now every time we press the green flag up here, your cat will move 10 steps forward. But this isn't very good and it doesn't look very smooth. You'll notice that if I change the amount of steps, it just kind of teleports a little bit further to the right every time. And that doesn't look very good. So we're going to change this back to 10 steps. And then we're going to get a control block and we're going to get this repeat block here. And we're going to wrap it around the movement block. Now when we press the flag, it's going to look really nice and smooth. Here it is. Great. If we want it to go further, we can change the amount of times we repeat our movement. Now it goes a little bit further. And if we want to make it go faster, we can change the amount of steps that are happening every time. So here we go. Now it goes faster and it goes further. If we want to move the cat to go to the left, all we have to do is come to our move steps block and we're going to change it from 20 to -20. Done.